Let's discuss Mentzer index. Mentzer index is used to differentiate between thalassemia and iron deficiency anemia. The thalassemia and iron deficiency anemia are both microcytic anemia. To differentiate between these two types of anemia on a basis of CBC report, we use an index called as a Mentzer index. How we calculate the Mentzer index and how we will interpret it. To calculate the Mentzer index, we divide the MCV by RBC count. If the index value became less than 13, it suggests thalassemia, and if the index value come greater than 13, it suggests the iron deficiency anemia. To understand the Mentzer index in a better way, let's explain it with the help of two examples. In the first example, you guys can see the CBC report of this patient. The patient MCV is 69.7 while the RBC count is 4.28. So to calculate the Mentzer index, we divide the 69.7 by 4.28 and the result is 16.2. So this index value is greater than 13. So this patient is having iron deficiency anemia. Now come toward the second example. You guys can see this another CBC report of a patient. In this CBC report, the MCV is 60.4 while the RBC count is 6.14. To calculate the Mentzer index, we divide the 60.4 by 6.14, and if we divide it, the result which we obtain is 9.4. So the 9.4 is less than 13. So according to the Mentzer index, if the index is less than 13, it is a thalassemia. So this patient is having thalassemia. So it was all about the Mentzer index and how we will calculate the Mentzer index and how we will interpret it. If there is still any question, you guys can ask, and stay tuned for more update.